Good morning, children. Hope you are fine. Today, we will be doing a lesson in English grammar called the alphabetical order. Now, children, all of you all know your alphabets. सबको इंग्लिश के अल्फाबेट्स और लेटर्स आते हैं A to Z. अभी हम उन अल्फाबेट्स को ऑर्डर में कैसे कहेंगे वो आज देखेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. अरेंज द फॉलोइंग वर्ड्स इन द अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 9. Now children, what do you have to do? Always look at the first letter of any word and arrange the first letter in alphabetical order. So let's do this example. तो पहले हम फर्स्ट लेटर्स को सर्कल करेंगे. 1 का फर्स्ट लेटर है O. 2 का T. 4 का F. 6 S. 8 E or 9 N. Now children, you will see all the first letters of these words and see the order of the alphabets from A to Z. So let me say your ABCD and we'll decide which comes first and which comes last. A, B, C, D, E. I have number 8 that starts with E. So my first word is number 8. After E comes F. 4 starts with the letter F. So my second word in order will be 4. After F, say your alphabets, children. G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. And I have number 9 which starts with N. So my third word will be 9. After N comes the letter O. And 1 stands with O. So my next word will be 1. Then comes P, Q, R, S. Number 6 starts with S. So my next word will be 6. And after S comes T. And 2 starts with T. So my last word will be 2. तो बच्चों, इस तरह वर्ड्स के फर्स्ट लेटर को देखकर हमें उन्हें अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना है. Now let us look at another example. Let us see this example 2, 3 and 10. Can you tell me, if I look at the first letters of these 3 words, can I arrange them in alphabetical order? No. Why? Because if you see, all the 3 words starting letter is which letter? T. So that means all the words start with the same letter. So I can't arrange them in alphabetical order by looking at the first letter. Now what do we do? Whenever the words start with the same first letter and you have to arrange them in alphabetical order, do the next step. Look at the second letter. So let me see the word 2. In that the second letter is W. In 3, the second letter is H. And in 10, the second letter is E. So what do I have? W, H and E. Out of these letters, which will come first in alphabetical order? E. That means my first word is the letter 10. Then comes H. So my second word will be 3. And last comes W. So my third word will be 2. So when I arrange them in alphabetical order by looking at the second letter, then it comes as 10, 3, 2. तो समझ में आया बच्चों? जब पहला लेटर हर एक वर्ड में सेम होता है और जब हमें अरेंज करना है अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में, तो हमें सेकंड लेटर पे ध्यान रख के सेकंड लेटर्स को ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना है. Now let us do some examples. In all these words in number 2, if you look, the starting letters are all the same. That means we have to look at the second letter. Let's do number 1. First you read the words pot, pin, pen, pan and pull. All start with the letter P. That means I can't arrange them in alphabetical order looking at the first letter. So now I will see the second letters. Look at the letters, children. They are all underlined. Pot, the second letter is O. Pin, second letter is I. Pen, E. Pan, A. And pull, U. Now when I arrange them, when I look at the second letters, my first will be A. That means my first word will be pan. After A comes E. So my second word will be pen. Now I am left with O, I and U. From these three, first comes I. So my third word will be pin. Then comes O. So my fourth word will be pot. And then comes U. So my last word will be pull. Now let's do the second example. Bulb, bat, bed, bowl, bib. Again here first letter is the same for all. B. So I have to look at the second letter. I have underlined the second letters U, A, E, O and I. So first will come letter A. So my first word is bat. Second is letter E. So my second word will be bed. Third is letter I. Third word bib. Fourth is O. So my fourth word is bowl. And the last letter will be U. So my last word will be bulb. Now let's do number 3. The words are axe, apple, act, 8, aeroplane. All the first letters are A. So let's look at the second letters. X, P, C, T, E. So from this, first comes C. So my first word will be act. Second is letter E. So my second word is aeroplane. Third is letter P. Third word is apple. Fourth will be T. Fourth word is 8. And last will come letter X. So my last word will be axe. Now the fourth one, the words are send, sail, stool, skate and slate. All starting with the same first letter S. So we will look at the second letter. E, A, T, K, L. From these second letters, if we have to arrange them, A comes first. So my first word is sail. Next comes E. So my second word is send. Third comes skate. So my third word will be skate. Fourth alphabet L. So my fourth word will be slate. And the fifth and last letter will be T. So my last word will be stool. So children, this is the way you arrange words in alphabetical order. When the first letter is the same, always look at the second letter and then arrange the words. Now let's do the third question. It says, make 10 words with letters from the word elephant. You can make words of your own. Here are some of the words that I have made using these letters from elephant. I have ant, hat, pat, tap, pan, let, pet, help, net and 10. So these are the 10 words that I have made. If you find more words, you can write them on your own. And the last question says, now write the above words in the alphabetical order. So what you have to do, all these words that you have made over here, you have to arrange them and write them over here down in alphabetical order. So let's start with the first letter. First letter over here, A. So A I have as a starting letter. So my first word will be ant. I don't have anything with B, C, D, E and F. My next letter after F is G and I don't have any word with G. Then comes H. Here I have hat and help, both starting with the letter H. So now what I will do, I will not look at the first letter. I will look at the second letter. And in both these words, in hat the second letter is A and in help the second letter is E. A comes first. That means my second word will be hat and my third word will be help. So we finished with H. Then comes I, J, K. No new words with them. L. L I have the letter here and the word is let. So next I write let. M I do not have any word. N I have net. So next is net. O I don't have any word. P I have 3 words. Pat, pan and pet. Now children, look at the second letters. In the second, here I have A and E. Now that I have 2 letters starting with A also, let me look at the third letter, T and N. So from T and N, which will come first? N. So that means my first will be pan. Next will be pat. And then I come down to P-E-T, pet. After P comes Q-R-S-T. I have words with T. Tap and 10. Since both are starting with T, let me look at the second letters. For tap it is A and for 10 it is E. So that means first word will be tap and last will be 10. So in this way, children, we have arranged all these words in number 3 and written them down in answer 4. This is how we arrange words in alphabetical order. I hope you have understood this lesson. Thank you, children, and have a nice day.